Coal India Limited's Chief Vigilance Officer Shri Brajesh Kumar Tripathi on Friday chaired a review meeting with the Chief Vigilance Officers of the company's subsidiaries at CIL's corporate headquarters in Kolkata. A day after the e-reverse auction concluded, most headlines simply stated the obvious. NTPC Green Energy Limited has won 200 megawatts/800 megawatt hours of battery energy storage capacity in West Bengal. WBSE DCL had put out a sizable 500 megawatts/2000 megawatt hours standalone BESS tender. In a quiet but meaningful gesture, Central Coalfields Limited has handed over a cheque of 1 crore rupees to SMT Bhokri Devi, mother of late Basudev Mahato, under the accidental death benefit of Punjab National Bank's corporate salary package. Late Basudev Mahato, who worked as an assistant grade D at Karma project in Kuju area, passed away on 21st September 2025. The Union Cabinet has approved GoBardhan, the National Circular Bioenergy Scheme, with an outlay of 23,731 crore rupees. The goal is clear: convert agricultural residue, cattle dung, press mud, and municipal organic waste into compressed biogas at national scale. The scheme will run from fiscal year 2026 to 2027 to fiscal year 2035 to 36. The Payments Council of India has said that UPI will remain free for consumers. The PCI said in a statement that all Indians can continue to make instant digital payments without any transaction charges. It also said that small merchants would not be charged for accepting digital payments. To ensure fair treatment of borrowers during the recovery process, the RBI has issued comprehensive instructions to lenders, including a request that they contact/visit a borrower/guarantor only between 800 and 1900 hours and avoid making calls/visits on inappropriate occasions such as family bereavement or medical emergencies. The National High Speed Rail Corporation Limited has signed a contract agreement with KCS Award Consortium for specialized machinery required for rolling stock maintenance under the Mumbai to Ahmedabad bullet train project. NBCC India Limited has successfully concluded the e-auction of approximately 2.34 lakh square feet of commercial built-up space at Bharat Business Park, Sarojini Nagar, New Delhi. The commercial space was sold through an e-auction for a total sale value of approximately 1,236 crore rupees, according to the company's stock exchange filing dated August 8, 2026. SAIL Durgapur Steel Plant marked the superannuation of employees retiring on July 31, 2026 by organizing a tree plantation drive at Vasundhara Eco Park. The Eco Park was developed under the company's Corporate Social Responsibility Initiative. Following recent media reports on moisture and chloride in EBMS, E20 petrol, OMCs conducted additional intensive testing nationwide across the entire EBMS supply chain. The findings confirm that fuel quality is consistently well within the prescribed limits.